Here at Factory Effex, we are proud to produce some of the most cutting-edge and best-looking accessories available for today's motorcycles. We also value our relationships and loyalty to and from our customers. So here are a few tips that should ease the mounting process of your new sport bike vinyl graphics. First, open the package and inventory the contents to ensure that you have purchased the correct kit for the make and model of your bike. Secondly, review the mounting instructions thoroughly. Be sure that the motorcycle is safely parked in a well-lit area on a race stand or bike lift. Now, using water-based glass cleaner, wipe down all areas where vinyl graphics will be applied, ensuring the adhesive has clean surface to adhere to. For best results, be sure to remove any existing stickers or dome decals in the area that will be covered with your Factory Effex graphic kit. Failure to do so may shorten the life of your vinyl graphics. Next, find the center fairing piece on your graphic sheet and remove the adhesive backing from the vinyl. Position your pre-cut graphic in alignment with all fairing bolts and creases in that section of graphic. Place the graphic gently on the fairing section and work the graphic from the center out, ensuring that no air bubbles are formed in the process. Don't be afraid to peel back the graphic if an air bubble is formed or if slight misalignment occurs. Once you have the first section installed, move to the next top or bottom piece that aligns with the center fairing graphic. Keep in mind that every bike application is not the same. Therefore, the amount of pieces included in the kit will vary from bike to bike. Additionally, many of the designs flow from one section of vinyl to another, so be extra careful when positioning the graphics to ensure that the designs match up between the two pieces of vinyl. Like the first section, gently place the vinyl graphic in the desired position on the bike and begin working it from the center out. Finally, after you have the main pieces installed, the rest of the bike should go smoothly. All the pieces included in the kit are labeled to correspond with where they go on the bike. The same rules apply for application. Line up the vinyl graphic and gently apply to the bike, then work it from the center out. Avoid applying in cold, damp weather. The vinyl is much more pliable in a warm environment. If you live in a cold environment, don't be afraid to heat up the graphics a little with a heat gun or household blow dryer. However, be sure not to melt the graphics. A heat gun or blow dryer can also assist you with problem areas such as bubbles or creases in the vinyl. We hope these tips were helpful with the mounting of your new sport bike graphics. For more information, forward questions to info@factoryeffex.com.